Now that we know how to play our 8th notes, we can spice it up a bit and play it in the form of 16th notes. What 16th note, if you may ask? Just like we divided our beats into 4 parts and 8 parts, we can further subdivide it into 16 parts. So, the beats between your 1 and 2 will be divided into 4 parts. Between 2 and 3 you will divide into 4 parts. 3 and 4 you will divide into 4 parts, and between 4 and 1 again you will divide into 4 parts. So just like we had 1 and 2 and, this time between your 1 and you will be adding a E. So 1 E and between your and 2 you will be adding a. So 1 E and a 2. If I just say the first section, 1 E and a, 1 E and a, followed by 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. If you play it one after the other, this is how it sounds like. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Quarter notes followed by 8 notes followed by 16 notes. This is how it goes. I'm not increasing the speed, but I'm just subdividing my notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. It gives an illusion that the speed is increasing, but the speed is not increasing. We are just adding some notes in between. Now let's try to play this on our djembe. We will be taking our regular 8 note grooves and we will be playing the after 2. So we will play 1 and 2 and a. I repeat, 1 and 2 and a, followed by 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and, 1 and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and. If you're playing it in your beats, we won't be playing the tones as we did on all the ands. We'll be playing a tone on the and which comes before your 16th note. In this case, the and of 2, followed again by a tone on the a. The slap will be on 2 and 4. The bass will be on 1 and 3. This is the regular groove without the 16 notes, and followed by I'll play it with the 16 note. It goes like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's add the 16th note. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. If you play it faster, similarly, you can play the 16 notes on all the other grooves which we did till now. I'll just demonstrate it all so you get an idea.